On today's episode of Watch J&J, we are here at LS Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky. But first, Corvette Museum. This place has a theater. It's empty too, but it's all like home theater gear up there. Look who's here. One of the Mr. J&Js himself.
What's up, man?
Nothing, dude. Thanks for sending us an LS2.
I want to hear it run.
It runs. Man, this is super cool. So many first-gen Corvettes.
The bottom of that is not resting on soil.
All right. This is pretty cool. If you do museum delivery, they prep the car in here. They do an actual good job detailing it. All these cars out here look incredible. And then you get to come pick up your car in the museum. I think the owner's here and just like remote started that car, which is hilarious. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch J&J, and now we are here at LS Fest. This is amazing. I was pretty concerned that there wouldn't be trailer parking. Obviously, it's my first time here. There is unlimited trailer parking, and I love it. And LS stuff as far as you can see, and a lot of cool trucks too. Thanks. So it's time to unstrap this thing, get it unloaded, and get in there. Let's go see what this is all about. Nothing like having the right straps for the job. This is the horsepower factory. You're right, all these cars sound amazing, dude. All right, let's see. I always have to wiggle this key in here. There we go. There we go. We have made it. I love these trucks. Nice.
That's sick.
And we are home. Check it out. The car is here. Drove in pretty well. There's a little vibration that was kind of odd, but we're here in the Holley tent, and I think it looks amazing. I love this car. I hope you guys love it too. Let's go explore. I'm ready to go see this. There's racing going on right behind us, and there's a drag strip. We're gonna go walk around and check this out. Dude, everyone's looking at the car. I'm kind of blown away here.
People love rat rods.
Yeah, I love this car too. Hey, it's everyone's favorite truck, and probably my favorite truck too, LSA in the USPS truck.
You could say this thing holds the mail.
There's honestly so much room. Like, how does it fit so well?
So much room for activities.
So much room. That catch can is like really nicely mounted, and for having relays, they're really nicely mounted. I like this a lot, dude.
Check out the fender well intake.
Dude, it's super cool.
Yeah.
And they still got the DVW with the LSA and everything. It's really cool. It's got a system. Amazing. Love the wheels. You have Holley on it?
Yeah, I got twin curve keys on it.
Perfect. All right, well, let's roll around in this monster. Oh, I'm getting front? Oh, dude, I totally want the front. Everybody that makes anything for an LS is here. Oh, look, Nitto Tire. We got those G2s on the Camaro. Man, everything that's on the car. Super cool. These guys used to be local to me in Wichita. Oh. Is this LS swapped?
I don't know.
I feel like it needs to go away. Let's get it out of here. There's a IS300 over here with a Chevy badge on the front, which is pretty funny. Yeah, that had to be a tough fit. Yep, it looks pretty stock. It's got a hybrid badge on the back too. This is my first time here, and the amount of GM cars is absolutely wild. Like all the LS stuff. Crazy.
Insane. There's so many cool LS swap things here.
So many cool cars. Also, this is Steve from Holley. I probably should introduce you first. blue Mustang was out of this world.
It's crazy.
The usual LS swapped BMW 3 Series. Big turbo, wow. Man, just LS swap BMW after LS swap BMW.
Yeah, that's an old school pickup.
Drifting that must be just wild. Man. So cool.
We got the
How's it going? Pretty good. What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan?
Yeah, I've been following you for a long time.
Awesome, man. Thanks
I
for
heard
watching
you were
the channel.
coming here and I was excited.
Yeah, the car's over in Holley's booth if you want to check it out.
I will, man.
All right.
It's good seeing you.
Yep, you
I
too.
need a
Nice to
picture
meet
with
you.
later. I'll let you go now.
Sounds good. Little water to air intercooler hiding in there.
Exhaust work.
Some art. I love those wastegate dumps.
That is a mint jewel.
Man,
And a nice clean LS swap. Because it looks OEM.
it does. The engine doesn't fit, it still fits. That's a real thing, guys. That looks amazing. The air filter is in the headlight. Like they literally just cut the headlight. This
On the
is
Camaro.
too cool. Look at that. That's like an alternator off a little Toyota truck or something.
That
is hilarious.
It's
got a two-step. This is incredible. Because you know it works well. Incredible. Look at that fuel pump. That's a lot of fuel. Wow. Rear mount radiator. We're heading down to the big end so you guys can see how fast these cars actually are. It may not come across on video, it's just like a flash. Man, he was moving. That was awesome.
Everything
I like how the stock ECU is still hanging out in there. Definitely has a Terminator or something. Oh, there it is. Dominator. Okay, everybody's hanging on. Yep. Yeah! I think we can ride it if we keep it going. If we didn't panic yet. I love this.
Thank you.
That's what? This is the craziest drive system. Is it just literally a belt with like a reduction or something?
It's just a belt with a tensioner and we tension it with this.
Oh, so the tension's like a clutch?
Yeah.
Nice. That is wild. All right, I love it. Have fun.
Still a manual.
That makes sense. That makes sense. All right, the LS powered toys out here that's a game changer. People should start LS swapping their Can-Ams now. Get rid of this turbo stuff. Has someone done that? Somebody's done that. We don't know what this is, but it's absolutely amazing. It's not Cadillac. Is that a lighted hood event? If this is LS swapped, it's absolutely amazing. And you know it is. It's so good. It's so good. Wow. Disc brake conversion common. Beautiful. We are on the Power Wheels track right now, just past the finish line. Off the top of the hill. Yep, running it backwards. These guys can't run it backwards because they have no powertrains. I don't know if we can run it forward or backwards. It's struggling so hard.
So we'll do a little drive by the competitors.
Yep. Make a pass.
And they can go all the way down there.
That's a long track on a Power Wheel, actually.
Yes. Yeah. And you should watch them when they try to make this corner right
Oh,
here.
man.
It's gonna get pretty ugly.
The speed wobbles and the tank slappers.
Yes.
It's almost game time. We are 7 minutes till, and everybody's at the top of the hill getting lined up. Got the checkered flag down there at the end. This is about to be crazy. And we're on the golf cart. This is as close as we can get to the track, and I'm super pumped because this is where everybody should go off, right? So this is gonna be good.
That is a crowd.
Oh, that Dodge Ram. Oh! That Dodge Ram's killing it. Oh, the Ram is a killer. He had this figure. Oh, and he flipped at the end. Okay, now we know the start is basically all that matters because that Ram had an early lead and then he was just, he smoked them all. He had like 30 cars on them until the flip at the end, which was pretty cool, but still won. And Barbie Jeep's hub came apart, lost the wheel, got the hub right there. So we'll try to get that back to him. He might need a rebuild. Round two. Oh, we got a four-wheeler in the lead. The Holley car is really, that Escalade, the battle for 1 and 2 is where it's at right here. The battle for 1 and 2. Oh, he's shortcutting. Cut track. Oh! This Ram truck makes a lot of sense. As you can see, it's extensively modified with like rubber tire tracks, what looks like rubber tire tracks, and lots of room. Room might be the key. Batman is out. Oh, that's amazing. The whole finish is gone, just wiped out. Well, that was too awesome. It looks like we've got some carnage here, some mirrors, some tire tracks or a drive belt, some Chevy hubcaps, probably LS powered. Anyway, that was epic. Hey, now we look official. It says media on the back. Insanity. That is so crazy to see in real life. It never comes across on video, but unbelievable. I mean, that guy could not see where he was going. I'm gonna get you guys the sneaky shot where you walk down the wall right here and then you can see all the cars up close. Oh yeah. That's about as close as we're getting. There's not really any media allowed out there at all. They're actually shooting everything like remotely, except for like one Holley guy out there. But there you go, pretty epic. Everything out here, LS powered. It is LS Fest, so freaking awesome. I want a drift car now. This dude was completely on fire. All right, it's been a day. We are tired, and the drifting's going on for a lot longer. So we haven't ate in hours.
Right.
We're gonna go find a restaurant and hang out. But first, we're gonna get the Camaro loaded back up on the trailer. It's right over here at Holley's booth. Got a crowd. Get to go drive my car. This is kind of the fun part. I don't know if it's because it's a steering box car or what, but man, this thing's easy to drive. Literally, look at this, like, it's so easy to drive. The F100's not that easy to drive. This is kind of unbelievable. I am a fan. It is wet out here at LS Fest. It is. Here with the guys at J&J. And we were gonna go ride some rides at the amusement park, but I mean, it's pouring rain. Look at this. So we'll be under here for a little bit. This is LS Fest Day 2 for us. We showed up. We were like, man, it's a little rainy. Starts immediately, just like the biggest rainstorm. Burnout competitions tonight, and we're like, it'll stop. So we go ride rides for a bit, maybe 2 hours. It's now 5. Burnout competition's supposed to start at 6. It has not stopped raining since. So everyone is kind of bailing here, and we are also bailing. It's just not gonna happen. We're gonna pack this in, enjoy Bowling Green for another night, sit here in traffic. We're not out on like a road or anything. This is just all inside the park. It's really cool. This event was amazing. One of the best events I've ever been to. I hope you guys got to just see how crazy it was. Just some of the stuff that I was able to show you. And I had a blast. Friday was insane. Saturday was very wet. We are still very wet. I'd like fling my hair, but it just go everywhere. Awesome, great time, and would do it again even with the rain. And next year, we gotta come hard. Gotta come back with the Camaro restored. There's that Barbie Jeep that exploded last night. That's hilarious. And parts of that John Deere. Oh man. So yeah, next year Rolls Royce and the Camaro and maybe some other LS powered stuff. This was a blast. And then Ford Fest is coming up, and they have Mo Party, which is just crazy. I don't have any Mopar stuff, but I do have a Ford with some Holley stuff. And I lost my voice yesterday, so I can talk a little bit. Tomorrow is a day of, well, what should be relaxation, but will really be a 9-hour drive home.